guys, what is going on? My name is Chill. Join me today, guys. It's February 20 and Bitcoin is seeing some resistance at around $53,000. So today we have seen a lot of altcoins getting rejected from the major resistance level. And if you are following me on my Twitter account, I have shared two charts today, guys. I've shared Solana and WIF, which we have seen a beautiful profit, guys. So if you are ready, join me today. We are going to check some of these altcoins. I have prepared several charts and of course possible trades that I may take in the coming days, and I will show you the next target for Bitcoin and these altcoin, guys. So if you are ready, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and click that notification bell. Let's do it.
All my fellas. All my fellas. Fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, so Bitcoin, we are 60 days away from the next Bitcoin halving, 63 days away from the next Bitcoin halving, guys. And of course, the fear and greed index right now is at 74, the previous all-time high. When Bitcoin hit the previous all-time high, the fear and greed index was at 79. So we are almost near that level. So Bitcoin have dropped from 69 down to $16,000 when the fear and greed index hit the 79 level. So the stock market is down today, and that is why we are seeing some blood in the crypto market. And not only Bitcoin, but majority of the altcoins are bleeding. But let's see, is this just a shakeout, or are we going to continue to move up? Let's go check out what is happening with the previous chart that I have shared, guys. So first, I have tweeted today about Solana, possible head and shoulders pattern. The target for this one is going to be $100 and $95. Do you think we are going to hit the target in the coming days, or are we going to see a reversal? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And here's the chart update for Solana, guys. We are seeing some beautiful bounce here, and watch out for a retest of this area here. So if you have missed the previous short entry point, watch out for a possible retest of this zone. This is going to be around 108 up to $109.
Let's go.
That is for Solana, guys. We are seeing a buying pressure at around this level here. So you see this wick right here, that is looking super bullish. Even though we have this head and shoulders pattern, we have a lot of FOMO right now, and of course buying pressure. So this is going to be the level that you need to keep an eye on. So right now I have closed my short-term quick trade at around 103. That is near the target. I think that is just like 2% or 0.91% away from the our target here, and I have made like 500, I think 500% using 100x leverage. I actually increase. You can actually increase your leverage in Binance, guys. So if you have, if you're using 10x, if you move the leverage up, it doesn't matter. It will just readjust your position size and margin. And by the way, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Hello to Faisal watching on YouTube. We have also Andres Jaworski, one of our VIP Discord members. We have also Peter Vasco joining us today, and Romulus. So we have discussed a lot of chart yesterday, guys, and today we are going to check, and I'm going to share with you the updates on that trade. Yesterday we talked about ICP, possible bear flag pattern, and that is actually playing out pretty well right now. So Looking at the Bitcoin liquidation, let's see how what's the liquidation numbers today. So in the 4-hour time frame, a lot of longs, late longs. I think these are the FOMO traders who went long at around $52,800 today. So majority of the longs are getting wrecked in the short term, but in the past 24 hours, similar, almost 67 to 70% of the long positions are getting liquidated, and that is with a total amount of around $185 million. Let's check the liquidation heat map, guys. So yesterday we have that huge liquidity at around 53. So look at this beautiful move, guys. The liquidation yesterday, liquidation level using CoinGlass is around $53,000. And look at this, we have seen that wick today. So that's a liquidity grab. And right now, we still have this liquidity at around 51,300. This is around $680 million. So keep an eye on this level. It is still likely. Looks like Bitcoin is forming a bear flag on the 3-day time frame using Binance BTC liquidation heat map. So at around 51,200 up to 51,300, there are around approximately $700 million worth of liquidation there. And today, congratulations.
It's the final count.
We have seen Ethereum touch our final target, guys. So congratulations to those who are following my trade. And of course, be sure to take some profit at around this level from $2,100 up to $3,000. That is just a magnificent move, guys. Beautiful trade. So I've already closed 70% of my trade, but looking at the chart, this is still looking bullish for me, guys. So we still have that Ethereum spot ETF narrative, and also the ETF 2.0 or the upgrade, guys, dungeon upgrade for Ethereum. So those are the two narratives that are still in play. So looking at the oscillator on the weekly time frame, we still have some I think we can still break this level, guys. So maybe a retest of this 2,700. We have this support trend line. It remains valid. Look at this support trend line. So if you're going to zoom in into the daily time frame, so we have hit this resistance level, but looking at this daily time frame, we have all this buying pressure order block waiting to be filled, guys. So a lot of orders are waiting from $2,200 up to $2,600. So probably if we drop back to this level, then we might see that buying pressure that will push the price higher. So the maximum retest will be up to $2,400, and that will be my invalidation point for Ethereum right now. So this was our previous long entry point here. We have made several long position. This was my previous buy zone at around $1,000, and right now we have hit the $3,000. So congratulations to everyone who get in to the trade early. So I think it is still likely we still have Ethereum is still likely going up to 3,500 level. But right now we are seeing that small rejection from that psychological number $3,000, and a possible retest up to $2,500. We have this major support trend line here, and of course order blocks, buying pressure from $2,200 up to $2,600 for Ethereum, guys. So I'm gonna keep small amount, 20%, 30% of my trade up to 3,500 level. And if we drop below 2,400, maybe that's a time that I will close my trade. For ETC, similar situation, guys. We have this support trend line here, and looks like we got the retest at around $26. But again, we still have this order block level on the $24 or 24.75 area. So this is going to be my invalidation point. But if you are going to zoom out, we also have this major support trend line. So let's move on to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have this major support trend line, guys. And this is still in an overall uptrend. We still have that higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Even if we drop back here, this is still looking very bullish, guys. So this is going to be my invalidation level right now, 23.48. So if you are holding your spot, we are still in an overall uptrend.
Let's go!
Again, if you want to trade BTC, guys, Bitcoin, there is an ongoing airdrop in Bybit. You can claim up to 500 USDT position, and you can use this to go on a long or a short position. All you have to do is just to create an account. Link is on the description down below. And of course, you must hold at least $100 in your account and fill up this form right here. Within 2 weeks, they will review and you will receive an update from Bybit. So Bitcoin's chart, we are still on this level, guys. And if this is going to be critical today, because if Bitcoin daily candle closes above 51,600, it is likely that we might go even higher, guys. So this is right now looking bearish here, but if you're going to look at this level, this was the previous resistance zone, and we have this candle close at around 51,800, guys. So if Bitcoin daily candle closes above that level, above this candle right here, that will signal a bullish move for Bitcoin, guys. So, but if the daily candle closes below 51,200, then that will be our signal that we might be going lower. So keep an eye on the daily candle close today. For now, this looks bearish here because we have this. I think this candle is a little bit higher. See? Let me just hide this one first. All right, so we can see it clearly. This also. All right. So it looks like a doji candle, but if this goes lower or the candle closes below 51,200, then this will be a reversal candle, guys. But if this will go up and close above 51,800, then that will be a doji candle and a possible reversal to the upside. So let's see, and let's wait for the daily candle close for Bitcoin. So again, if you're going to zoom out, my invalidation point will be above 53,800, guys. So if you're going to zoom out, we are again due for a correction, in my own opinion, based on the previous price action. So before the halving, the next halving is going to be around April 20. So that is going to be like February, March, April, 2 months from now, 60 days from now. And we might see that final shakeout and then consolidation zone up to 60,000, from 36 up to 60, probably in the next 100 days here, and then followed by a parabolic run up to 2025. We have also Lydia joining us today on YouTube, and also MHK911, 10K, and that is pretty low target. 10K likes will be much better. So smash that like button, guys. 10K likes is much better. And I will really appreciate if you can smash that like button. So yesterday we talked about this ICP, guys. It's still trading within this flag, bear flag pattern. And of course, again, we have this order block buying pressure near the support trend line. So we might get another retest up to 13.9, but overall, this is still trading inside this flag pattern and a bigger bear flag pattern with a target of $8.5. And let's move on to 1 inch. Again, beautiful short entry point from 0.47. And let's see how many percent is this move. So this was around 10.35%. And by the way, guys, if you have any chart requests, drop them in the chat section down below. We're almost done with all of the altcoin charts here that I have prepared before the stream. And if you have any chart requests, let me know in the chat section down below. We'll go in Q&A in a few minutes. So a beautiful 10% move from that right shoulder pattern, safer short entry here as discussed previously. So right now, we also have this order blocks. So these are buying pressure at around this level from 0.4 up to 0.42. So if you are going to zoom in, look at this candle wick right here. That is a buying pressure pushing the price back up. So let's see how this plays out. This looks like, again, a bigger head and shoulders pattern. If you're going to zoom out, with the target of 0.31 for 1 inch. And of course, majority are asking which indicator I'm using. I'm using Chart Prime. It's paid indicator, and right now you can try risk-free for 7 days. And of course, you can take advantage of the 50% up to 50% discount if you're going to use my link in the description down below. We have also Zero to Music joining us on YouTube. Next one is Dusk. Beautiful rejection as well from this zone resistance, guys. So possible retest up to this level right here. Let's see. Try to zoom in. All right. So this could be a possible retest area short term. Not good risk to reward ratio. So better wait for the price to drop maybe around 0.2 level. So I would wait for the price to drop back here, or yeah. So this is going to be the level that I will be looking at, guys. Right now, this looks bearish, and probably this might continue to dump up to the support trend line. Let's see if this is going to hold, but if not, then probably it will drop further up to 0.2, which is around 20%, guys, for Dusk. And also, Pixel token soars by 16% as trading volume reaches $1 billion. So this is a new token in the market. Let me know if you are aware of this token, guys. Just a day following the launch of its Pixel token, blockchain game Pixels has surged past the $1 billion mark in trading volume. Recent data indicates blockchain-based farming game Pixels is experiencing a remarkable spike in activity, with the trading volume of its native token Pixel surpassing $1 billion today. So CoinMarketCap data reveals that the top 5 trading pairs by volume are concentrated on Binance, where over $1.1 billion in trading volume was generated, constituting a 74.6 share. Alongside the surge in the trading volume, the price of Pixel has also seen an increase, rising over 16% and currently trading at 0.59 with a market cap of around 500 million. So this is look at this crazy move today, guys. I think they have some development right now. We have a chart request from MTS, DYDX, also AMB USDT, beautiful rejection here. 16% target was hit today. Congratulations. So what are the trades that are posted in our Discord today, guys? So we had this previously. So ICP, look at this. This was the original chart when the price was trading at around 13.4. This was already predicted here. 14.5 entry up to $14 short entry point for ICP chart. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Another one is a SUI, guys. So SUI, beautiful rejection from this level. Looks like a cup in handle. Looks like a cup in handle pattern here. So the target of this is going to be on this level, guys, from 1.47 up to 1.34. This looking like a possible cup in handle pattern. So let's see if this is going to form that handle on the on this side. So we have seen that rejection from the zone resistance, guys, and right now we are on a significant amount of profit. Wow, 17% from that zone resistance, guys. So we have our entry point at 1.91 up to $2. And right now we have triple bearish divergence forming on the oscillator. So probably we might see the price drop up to 1.46 in the coming days. So let's move on to chart request and Q&A.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so let's go check out DYDX chart request from MTS. DYDX. Let's find it here. Oh, damn. So, this is also one of the charts that we spoke about previously, guys. So target and possible reversal. We have hit already our TP1 and TP2. Final target for this one is going to be $5. That was a nasty rejection from the reversal point, guys. 20% drop. So let's check DYDX. All right, we are looking right now at the 1 hour time frame. Let's go check out the bigger time frame first. Looks like a parallel channel, and we have actually a support trend line and a confluence on this level right here. But we have also a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Can you chart H bar? And what is your lifetime fee? I'll not be trading for lifetime, guys. So again, we have a beautiful confluence here. Resistance trend line and support trend line, but also we have this bearish divergence. So from here to this point. All right. Bearish divergence. So probably we might get a bounce on this level, guys, for DYDX. So this is going to be the zone that you need to keep an eye on. The oscillator right now is still looking bearish, but we have, looks like a breakout. But let's go check out the weekly time frame first. On the weekly time frame, this is going to be our major support on the weekly time frame. So short term, weekly actually is looking bullish, guys. DYDX to unlock over 33 million tokens. Will the price crash? So this was posted January 21. Let's check the unlock schedule first. BYDX, a decentralized exchange DEX, will unlock over 33 million DYDX, approximately $90 million on February 1. So this is already done, guys. And let's see if this is like a scheduled unlock. The upcoming token event is part of DYDX ongoing cliff unlock, which will continue for the next 5 months. Oh, so this is a staggered token unlock, guys, for the next 5 months. So 90 million divided by 5, that will be somewhere like around 20 million. And I think that we will not see a significant effect on the price. Let's check DYDX trading volume. Is that correct? All right. $2.9. All right. BYDX price prediction. So the volume is around 20 million. 20 million, 20 billion. All right. Well, let's go back to the chart. Pangwon, hello. So we have this major support on the weekly time frame, guys, at around 2.5, but short term looks like that DYDX is going to retest this 2.7 area in the short term. So on the daily time frame, we still have this bearish divergence and probably wait for the oscillator to reach the oversold area before you go on long position. Again, these are just my own opinion and should not be considered as a financial advice. So let's say we'll do 5%, guys. We have actually 2 order block here using chart prime indicator. So first order block is around 2.8 and second order block is around $2.6 for DYDX. So probably this is going to be a safer buy zone here at around 2.6. And this is going to be a high risk long entry point for DYDX. So probably we might see that drop up to this level and then bounce back up. Probably same level target. How many percent is that going to be? 16% versus 5% reward for DYDX. So that's my analysis for DYDX, guys. I'm gonna wait for the price to reach this level right here, 2.79 up to 2.84, and this is going to be my safer long entry point at around 2.6 area. And also, is it safe to short ETH now? I would say no, because again, I think it is still likely that Ethereum would continue to move up here up to $3,500, and probably we might see a short-term retest of this area at around 2,700. But overall, we still have this support trend line, guys. So for now, I would not go on a short position for Ethereum, because again, we have that Ethereum spot ETF narrative still in play, and also the recent update for Ethereum, guys. So next one, that's for DYDX. And let me show you again the sounded trades today. So I have also shared this one, Solana. Solana, look at this. Probably this is going to be filled tomorrow. This area right here, up to 103. So beautiful, beautiful price action today. If you are following me on Twitter, I have shared this earlier on my Twitter account when Solana was trading at around $108, guys. I have shared this chart on my Twitter account today when Solana was still trading at around 108. And look at this price today. We have dropped up to $102. And congratulations to those who were able to get in, guys. 300. I think it dropped up to 500% today. I have already closed my Solana short position. And also WIF, guys. WIF went down up to 0.3 or 900% today. So another chart. So this was Solana. And also WIF, guys. So if you want to catch this kind of trades, be sure to follow me on my Twitter account. So my Twitter handle is at chill_trader99. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. And of course, you can head on to Discord or in our free public Telegram group, because I've shared this one as well in our Telegram group, guys. So let me share it with you. Here. So this is our free public Telegram group. I am sharing my updates here. Look at this, guys. When the initial entry point was hit, when I entered the trade, 83% at 108. and also for WIF 194. So both of these charts are shared in our free public Telegram group. Beautiful, beautiful trades today for WIF and Solana, guys. So Solana trade is closed. And what about WIF? WIF, I have already closed some, but I am still holding 20% of the trade. I have closed 80% of the trade, guys, because WIF have hit this first target here, and I am expecting a short-term bounce. Look at this price action here. So I'm expecting a short-term bounce up to 0.36. So that would retest our previous entry point here for WIF, guys. This is going to be the retest area. So possible retest on this level, 0.36 up to 0.35. But the ideal breakout target of this WIF trade is going to be at around 0.26. In my own opinion, this was the previous long entry point here. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this falling wedge pattern. Breakout, ideal breakout target was hit, and then we have seen that reversal, guys. Right now, I think it is still likely that we might go up a little bit, up to 0.36, retest this previous neckline here. If we break above up to 0.39, this will be invalidated. But as long as we trade below the neckline, this target remains the same, guys, for WIF 0.27. So I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. And I hope you had a good day. And of course, I wish you all the best. And don't forget to smash that like button if you're new to the channel. And if you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. And head on to Telegram if you want to stay up to date. Follow me on Twitter. I'm posting live updates on my Twitter account. So that's it for now. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.